Manchester United is playing Crystal Palace.
Sheesh,
Before we start with the
It's
preview,
over.
I want to say, Sheesh Mahal,
ये चालू.
in the last 5 times that we've met,
Fuck.
the
Five.
last 5 times that we've played Crystal Palace, 5 times in Premier League,
कसम.
Crystal Palace has won 3.
अच्छा 3. Okay,
They've
मेरे को लगा.
drawn once,
हाँ.
and Man United has only won 1 game against them in the last 5 times we faced them.
That
If you
was this
take
season.
this season, November में, if you take this to the 8 times, तो वो लोग 6 टाइम जीत जाते हैं. 1 ड्रॉ है, 1 विक्ट्री है. एंड उसमें से एक गेम ऐसा है जिसने क्रिस्टल पैलेस ने हम लोग को 4-0 खोला था अंडर द ग्रेट ट्यूटलेज ऑफ डुएन्स फेवरेट कोच एरिक टेन हैग ने. अमरिम के अंडर 2-0 ठोका था, बट अंडर टेन हैग वी लॉस्ट 4-0. So this
See,
Sunday,
you guys should win.
I don't think so. Yeah, okay, yeah. Sorry, तेरा confidence देख के मेरे को भी लग रहा है कि yes, we should win.
We should win.
How we've played against Everton last game. ये तो home game है, सबसे important.
Actually.
So I think under Carrick, one thing that I've noticed, and I don't know if you guys will agree, United has started playing way better at Old Trafford. Away जैसा खेल रहा है खेलने दो, but at Old Trafford suddenly that वो feeling जो good factor बोलो or whatever
Yes.
बोलो, it is again come back.
Yes.
Yes.
It feels like we're playing a home game.
Players are playing a
basically.
little better. Yeah, it finally feels like we're playing a home game because players are actually playing a lot better than they go to like Everton. वो जब गए थे वो हिल्सन ब्यूटीफुल स्टेडियम जहाँ भी गए थे, हम लोग आराम से आलसी की तरह खेल रहे थे. उसके पहले जब हम लोग फुलहम को ड्रॉ किए 95th मिनट में शस्को ने गोल मारा, अगेन we weren't playing that way. But the moment United starts playing at home, I think they're playing well. And for that very reason, I think United will win 2-0 against Crystal Palace. Although Crystal Palace का coach अच्छा है and all of that, he plays 3-4-3 the same as Amorim used to play. But I think we should win 2-0 and we should be able to hold on to second or third spot.
Are they in
See,
form?
you haven't lost since Carrick came.
We haven't.
Not yet.
एक मिनट. So you haven't lost. तो तुम लोग, as you said, you guys are playing very well under Carrick. और finally तुम जिसको खेलना है,
सबसे important point यही है.
Bruno Fernandes is playing well. Your entire defense is clicking.
सबसे important बात तूने ये बोला है. Sorry, security guard finally building के नीचे खड़ा है. बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर कंपनी के बोर्ड में बैठा है. अमोरिम की सिक्योरिटी गार्ड बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स में वोट कर दो. कंपनी का सीईओ पानी चढ़ा रहा है. पानी है क्या? फाइनली people are playing in the position that they're supposed to play. Go ahead.
And Mark Gahey, उनका main defender,
चला
they
गया.
don't have. उनका कैप्टन था ना वो Mark Gahey.
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Liverpool गया, right?
Yeah.
So that
City गया.
उनका defense पूरा
City.
weak है अभी.
City. हाँ, sorry. Liverpool
So
से
they don't
पीछे
have
था.
a good
sorry.
defense. And I don't know, Crystal Palace बहुत खराब खेले. They are not in a good form.
मैं वही पूछा था.
These
I don't
days.
think so.
देख
They've been
लेते
up and
हैं.
down, right?
They're almost relegation में है.
Is
They are not in a relegation battle, but
No.
just relegation के ऊपर
So,
है.
Crystal Palace, no, ऐसा नहीं है. Crystal Palace is 13th and they're 35 points.
Last 5
It's
games,
just because
right?
we're 13th है, because मैं बता रहा हूँ, because between 13th and 8th पोजीशन पे बोर्नमथ है.
हाँ.
और 13th पोजीशन पे क्रिस्टल पैलेस है. बोर्नमथ 38 पे, क्रिस्टल पैलेस 35 पे. तो उतना पैक्ड है. तो हमें लग रहा है कि क्रिस्टल पैलेस हैज बीन इनकंसिस्टेंट. बुरा नहीं खेल रहा है. एक गेम जीत रहा है, एक गेम हार रहा है. एक गेम जीत रहा है, एक गेम हार रहा है. They've been doing pretty well. I'm not saying that. But again, क्रिस्टल पैलेस ये लास्ट ईयर या उसके साल पहले वाला क्रिस्टल पैलेस थी. They've had issues this year.
That team was something
प्लेयर्स
else.
चले गए यार उनके 2-3 बड़े-बड़े.
क्योंकि वो तो फ्री फ्लोइंग
बड़े-बड़े
फुटबॉल
players
था.
चले गए.
वो जितने बार हमारे अगेंस्ट खेले, it was
वो-
like they were the better team. You could say on the pitch so easily. क्योंकि वो उस हिसाब से उनका स्ट्रक्चर था. Like मार रहे थे, सब कर रहे थे.
Even the results say that. अभी बताया ना मैंने तेरे को, हम लोग 3 बार
हाँ.
आ रहे हैं उनसे.
See, I think it
They-
should be a good
Okay,
game.
so would Sesko start for you guys?
I
know.
don't want
think he
Sesko
should.
to start. And and I'm saying this again. I said this in the last video, but I didn't release it. I'm sorry. Sesko shouldn't start because being a Man United striker is a बहुत बड़ा pressure है.
ये
No
तो
other team, no other player goes through that pressure. सुन ले. If Sesko starts and he doesn't score a goal, सब लोग गाली मारना वापस चालू कर देंगे. But let Sesko come in 60 minutes, do what he's already doing. He scores a goal. Everything is about Sesko. He gets confidence. If he doesn't score a goal, we all say 30 minutes. I still wouldn't want Sesko to start. Ahmad है, Bomo है, Kunya अच्छा खेल रहा है. I am more going to see if Licha is available for this game. I don't know
he
if you know
should
that.
be. I think so.
That's a far more Again, that's a far more pressing issue if Licha is available. But again, Mainu, Casemiro in the midfield are doing very good job. The less I speak about them.
मैं बोलता हूँ तो लाइक
बोल।
I think should be a good game. Like तुम लोग ही बोल रहे हो अभी कि like they are not in form, especially not this season. And I'm not gonna say that we are playing extremely well under Carrick. Some games we were not that great, but obviously it's more about getting those 1-0 wins, like just that one goal. You need to have. पहले जब हम हारते थे या कुछ भी हुआ, वो लगता नहीं था कि we are gonna score. I don't know, it was a team morale or मैनेजर या जो भी था. अभी वो एक है, थोड़ा एक फीलिंग आता है कि ओके चल सेस्को भी आ रहा है, लाइक बेंच से आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा एक फायर पावर है. I don't know, again, I don't think so Carrick is gonna change the team. He's known to keep the same team. Like he doesn't, ideally speaking, you don't have to change or, why fix something when it's not broken. So like Sesko might just start on the bench.
Not broken.
I think he's sort of like you feel for the guy, right? He's been doing well. He deserves to start, especially low block. So yeah, perfect. We need a striker. Crystal Palace can be tricky as well, even though we're playing at Old Trafford. But again, the same thing comes कि तू बिठाएगा किसको. I'm okay अगर कुनिया बैठ रहा है and Sesko starts. I'm still okay with it. और अमान कैसे भी लाइक क्योंकि दिस गेम इज गोना गो. ये वैसे नहीं होगा कि यूनाइटेड जैसे तू बोल रहा सूरी कि लाइक यूनाइटेड 2-0 करके खत्म कर दे. इट्स गोना गो टिल 90th मिनट और उन लोग करेंगे, उन लोग भी आएंगे. सो इट्स गोना बी इंटरेस्टिंग क्योंकि इधर से फिर और 2-3 गेम्स हमारे लाइक बड़े बड़े टीम्स है. जैसे वी आर गोना प्ले न्यूकासल, फिर आगे जाके एस्टन विला भी है. तो दिस इज गोना बी अ गुड स्टार्ट, गुड टेस्ट एक्चुअली.
But I still think it's going to 2-90 minutes.
आइडियली
Old
हाँ.
Trafford drama हमेशा रहता है. It's right, you're right. Old Trafford पे ड्रामा नहीं होगा. But I think it's going to be a 2-0 victory. तू क्या बोल रहा है Devin?
I think it's gonna be 2-1. I think they will just pull up a goal somehow. I think 2.
Okay. Suri?
I think this will be 2-0. I
I
mean,
hope
or it will be simple game for
I hope you
United.
guys are right.
2-0 United.
I
We
hope
all
as
are
well.
predicting what a victory.
for United. जब last time ऐसा हुआ था तो
हाँ.
हम लोग ड्रॉ करके आए थे और एवर्टन को हार गए थे 1-0.
With 10
10
men, na?
मैन 10 मैन
10 men.
एवर्टन को होम पे आ रहे थे 1-0. इसके बाद पता चल जाएगा. कल अगर यूनाइटेड हारा संडे को तो समझ जाऊंगा नस्तर कौन. मेरे घर के बहुत पास रहते हैं. Right, we'll talk after them immediately after the game. We'll get on it and we'll get a video out. So, yep, we'll see you guys then. Chalo. Thank you, boys.
See you next
Okay,
time.
Cheers.
chalo. Bye.